Hey guys, welcome back to Operation RV. Just like the title has it, we are installing a new shifter bracket in my Ram 3500 to 2014. It's pretty common for these Rams. So let's go ahead and show you these parts and dig right in. All right, so this is the part that I picked up here off of Amazon. I want to say it cost about $30. But let me show you what we got in the box here. So this is the attachment. This is what broke. So as you see right over here, this piece that holds the actual shifter right here to this, it's snapped. So this is the replacement of that. I'll go ahead and give you a good example of it. Is this guy right here. So we're going to get this installed. Stay tuned and be right back. Just a couple tools here. We got the Torx T20 and the T27. We just need those two, and then just a 3/8 socket or wrench just to take out this old bolt. Make sure you keep this bolt. You're gonna have to use it for the new part. The new part does not come with that. 3 tools, about 30 minutes. Let's dig right in. All right, so it's a little noisy. Got the truck on, air on. It's a little hot outside, but this is the T20 here. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one. So there's 3 that hold this whole plastic rear column and attach it to the top. So we're gonna get these 3 screws out and we'll get the shift column off. So please note we got a 1 fine thread and 2 coarse. The 2 coarse is here, this one, and this is gonna be the fine thread. And duly noted, we do need a Phillips to take off this panel. So get a Phillips screwdriver. Something else I failed to mention, you're going to need a smaller ratchet that'll hold your T27, some bits here. So let me show you what we got. So down here, there's three spots we're going to be taking this bracket out. This one here, and then this one here, and then one way in the back. So let me demonstrate here with this thing, how to show it'll reach every single one. So you see how that's perfect. This one will reach back here just like that, and of course right up here on top it reaches perfect. So I'll put the links down in the description where you can pick this up from Amazon. Let's get this off. Next thing you got to do is take the shift link, which is right here, off of this ball to the right. So I can point that right here. I just used my 3/8 wrench and just kind of popped it off. You can use a screwdriver too. Next, once we get this pulled all the way out, I'll go ahead and show you. All we got to do is just hold this down, pull out the plug, and it should just go ahead and pop out. Let's see. All right, there we go. It is out. So as you see, this is what broke off. More up close and personal. I'll show you the other piece that broke, that fell off in the column. This piece. So this is what acts upon the shifter that holds it down. So this is pretty common in these Rams. I'm sure it also is in Fords and Chevys too. But I got the part here, so let's go ahead and get this installed. It's just reversing it, and let's get it shifting properly. All right, she's all put back together. Go ahead and quickly show you. Shift's good now. Reverse, neutral, drive. Boom. All right, we're back in business. So now we're just going to put on these plastic column pieces, top and bottom. We're going to bolt up the bottom here with the Phillips. We're back in business. All right, guys, that's a wrap. That's how you fix your shifter bracket in this Ram. Here at the end card, I'm going to go ahead and put my previous short video that tells you how to get out of Dodge in a pinch, just using a set of simple vice grips if your shifter does break like mine did. So don't get stranded. Carry a extra set of vice grips. You never know what could happen, right? All right, guys, so right down in the links, go ahead and drop those comments. You'll get all the parts here that I've done today for this install, along with the tools. You can go over to Amazon and pick these up, have them shipped to your door. If you have Prime, it is free. And until next time, guys, God bless.